How to stop a nosebleed fast. This is a technique used by paramedics to stop nosebleeds. But first, let's talk about what doesn't work. If someone holds their head back, then the bleeding will continue down their throat, causing eventual vomiting. Pinching the nostrils doesn't work well because nose cartridge stops the tissue from being fully compressed. The best way to stop a bleed is to take a gauze pad or tissue and press directly under the nose. Keep gentle pressure straight back until bleeding stops, which usually stops within a minute. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.